What's up, guys? Jeep Garrett here. I got you on a tripod today. Moving on up in this YouTube world. So today we're going to be installing rock hard 4x4 rock sliders, but they're the tubular step, and we're also going to be installing the EAG rock sliders. Alright guys, so the first step is to remove this stock plastic piece that came with the Jeep from the factory. So like I always say, this isn't a tutorial because we're learning together. Well, I thought it was plastic. Some kind of cheap metal. Removed all the stock screws on the side. So now I got these bolts under here I gotta take off. Oh God. All that grossness. Pretty gross. So we're going to be loosening these nuts here. These are the body mount screws. So we're going to be loosening those. Lifting it up with my jack I have right here. So I can slip the rocker guard panel in. Loosened up those body mounts. Now I'm going to raise the body up. Alright guys, so I got the body lifted off the body mounts finally. So now I can slide the guard in. Now I can attach the body mount back on. Woo. That was pretty scary. I'm going to seal it with a waterproof clear sealant. I don't plan on ever removing these, so I don't mind if it's permanent. Alright, I'm going to finish this side, get the holes drilled and screws put in, then I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll come back when we're ready to install the step. So guys, I got the rock sliders put on, so I'm going to start putting on the step now. So I didn't drill this final hole, you probably can't even see it. I'm getting new fenders, so I'm not drilling the last hole. It's probably easier if I had an extra set of hands or 3. This stuff's got an awesome textured powder coat finish on it. So I couldn't figure out for the life of me what was going on. And the directions were wrong. I had the parts mixed up. The one I had on here was supposed to go on the other side, but directions say the opposite. I'm so confused. Anyways, that's why I don't read directions. They just get you in trouble. I'm gonna cross my fingers and mark my holes. All this, so let's give it a go. I feel like the directions are wrong. Again, 10mm socket. 10mm socket. Wrong size. I really wish I had some Jeep friends that like doing this shit too. Oh, I broke my pencil. Awesome. Now I'm not going to be able to mark the other side. Figure it out later. So these are self-tapping screws. And there was a lot of complaints about them not working properly, but I just send them home, so they haven't been giving me any issues so far. Stuff is thick and hard to come out. Go over this other side right here in the front and cinch me one in. Yep, that's not going anywhere. Oh guys, this side's done. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. Since how these are mounted, there's a risk that you can bend it. So that's why I put this piece into. So if this does get bent, you know, it's going to go into this. I specifically ordered these because they had more of a step. I just got to do everything I did over here on that side.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk.
Well guys, both sides are installed. Pretty awesome. They were a huge pain in the ass though. Now for the final touch. Guys, that's all I have for you this week. Camera battery's about to die for the second time, so kind of scattered brained while doing this, so hopefully all the footage comes out alright and it makes sense. So in a couple weeks I'm going to have metal cloak fenders coming to the house. I'm going to replace these. Stick around for that. Lead time's like 3 to 5 weeks. I might go on another hike or something. Till then, catch you on the next video. Subscribe if you want. Don't if you don't. Catch you on the next video. Come back now.